Hi guys, my name is Elitia Hart. I'm a metal art instructor and a mixed media explorer. I'm here to tell you today about the Artful Gathering online event for 2019. My little project is called The Captive Queen. It involves a paper mache bird and a cube pedestal that allows us to do 4 different techniques in metal embossing. The pedestal will be teaching you engraving and embossed lettering, as well as high and low relief metal embossing techniques. This year I included silver leafing for the cube and for our little bird, as well as beading mosaic. These techniques are super to include in different mediums, and I hope that you'll be able to join us for Artful Gathering 2019.